Hey guys, Tony Cipriano here with another course for CreatureArtTeacher.com. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional sculptor. I have about 30 plus years of experience. I've worked for Disney feature animation on some major motion pictures, and I've worked for Universal Studios on theme park stuff, and I have worked for many toy companies. I'm excited to tell you I have a new course coming up just in time for Halloween, and it's called Making Monsters. I've always loved classic movie monsters, and it's my absolute favorite subject to sculpt, so I thought this would be a great course to share with you guys. We're going to be sculpting these monsters in ZBrush, and I'm going to take you right from the early stages of creating the base mesh and the pose. We're going to go through fur textures and skin textures and creepy scar tissue and all that nice stuff. I'm also going to include the project files and some alphas for different textures like fur textures and hair textures and skin pores, and you'll be able to follow along with the course and sculpt right along with me. And we're going to take it right to the end, and we're going to pose the model. So we're shooting the course right now and editing it. It's going to be available in a couple of weeks, but you can pre-order the course right now for a heavy discount just in time for Halloween. So head over to CreatureArtTeacher.com and order the course today. I'll see you soon.